Welcome to the day in life as roommates. I'm Jenna.
And I'm Kate. We usually start our day by Jenna's alarm going off about 17 times and then eventually roll out of bed.
Then we make our beds, sometimes. Then we both do our morning routines and head out the door and ready to go to Millie's.
It's a short walk over to Kent. We grab our coffee and then we're on our way to class. My usual pumpkin chai did the trick.
Now it's time for my math class. I hand my homework to Professor Sweet, we get our lecture, and then we're headed back to Kresge for my nap time.
I have a rainy walk to my lab this morning. We start by working for pre-lab in the atrium and then we're off to the lab with my partner Ella. We get it all done and I find Jenna and jealous of her nap. Then I'm off to my next American Health Systems class.
Then I grab Ellie and we head to Tyler's for lunch. We order and I always get the fries and cannot forget the chicken sauce. And then we have our rainy walk all the way across campus to my foundations class. And here's a rare sighting of me doing actual homework. And I go talk to Heath, my coach, and then I talk to the track coach, Hoffman. Wardrobe change, now I head to cross-country practice. Here are a few of my teammates as we get ready to do our 7-mile run. Thanks, Heath. Now into my daily visit to Trainer Dave.
Then we show out in our pink for the volleyball game. Jenna's in my jacket, of course. Then we head back to change and then go to the comedian that Cab put on for us. And then we wrap up our day by working on some homework and studying.
Now that's a typical day for us as roommates at Simpson College. Thanks for following along with us. Good night. Jenna
And Kate,
out.